हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई वेलकम यू इन दिस वीडियो। इसके पिछले वीडियो में हम डिस्कस किए थे लैपलास के वेरियस प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में। तुम लोगों ने शायद उस वीडियो को देखा होगा। इफ यू हैव नॉट वॉच्ड देन पार्टिकुलरली वॉच दैट वीडियो बिकॉज दिस प्रॉपर्टीज आर वेरी क्रूशियल. So if you don't understand this type of properties earlier, so you will not understand this kind of properties because we are getting in the higher side. So here is the derivative property of Laplace. Introduction is there. So any function's derivative is there. So we need to find the derivative of the Laplace. So Laplace of that function's derivative. So we discussed in our previous video what is Laplace of f of t. That is simply a bar of s. That is simply function of s integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st f of t dt. Now the derivative is present over there, f bar of t, right? So f dash of t is basically, so it becomes s into f bar of s minus f of 0, right? So how we can derive this? So derivation or proof, what you say? So derivation is very much crucial, right? Because when you derive, now the thing, your concept and clarity becomes crystal clear, because derivations तो कोई आसमान से नहीं गिरा है ना. So derivation का भी तो एक मतलब होता है, right? So when you derive, when you see the things by your eyes, by your imagination, the things becomes 100% clear and 100% clarity becomes with your mind. So engineering is basically the application of science, right? So f bar of t. So by definition, we can get integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus st. Now the factor becomes f of t. No, factor is f bar of t. Sorry, f prime of t, f dash of t dt. That is the derivative. F bar of f dash of t is the derivative of the f of t, right? So we will use Euler rule or successive integral, right? Integration by parts. Now what is will be the first function and what will be the second function? Now Euler rule doesn't apply over here. Apply your basic sense over here. Which function have to be taken, right? 1 and 2 for our convenience only. If you take this function as 1, so first function into integral of that function. So we need to take it is function as 2 because we will find integral, because second function का ही तो integral हम calculate करते हैं. We calculate the integral of the second function, right? So when we will calculate the integral of that function, so integral and differentiator will be cancelling each other. Integral of f dash of t dt will be f of t, right? Because integral and differentiator, differentiation and integration are reverse process of each other. They will cancel each other, right? Reverse process होता है, reverse operator होता है. So this thing becomes 1. So first function into integral of that function. So integral of a bar of t into dt 0 to infinity minus integral of this function का derivative. फर्स्ट फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव du ds होता है. सो यार e raised to power minus s t, t के रेस्पेक्ट में सो s होगा माइनस s कांस्टेंट, सो प्लस s होगा into that thing as it is a bar of t dt. So what is that? It is the f of t dt integral. So what is that? This thing is f bar of s. This thing is Laplace of f of t, right? Because Laplace of f of t is integral 0 to infinity raised to power minus s t f of t dt. So s into f bar of s will basically minus e raised to power minus s t बाहर चला जाएगा. So e raised to power minus s t into f bar of t is f of t. Now put the limit 0 to infinity, right? S f bar of s minus put the upper limit e raised to power minus infinity, that tends to 0. So upper limit if you put that will be 0, and put a lower limit, so e raised to power minus 0, that is 1, into f of 0, that is f of 0. So the thing is proved. So basically you apply the successive integral method or Euler method, or you say the integration by parts. By your brain you have to think, right? What will be the first function, what will be the next function, second function, right? So if you take this as second function, you integrate the second function, and integration and differentiation are the reverse process, reverse operator of each other, then it will be cancelling. So f of t will be there. So these things comes by your practice only. The more you practice, the more you get the innovative ideas in mathematics, right? So let's see an example problem regarding that. So Laplace of d by dt of sin t by t. So by formula it will be, right, f bar of s. So what is factor? F of t is sin t by t. Here f dash of t is there. So derivative. So by derivative property is f bar of s minus f of 0. Here f of 0 will be sin 0 by 0. That will be 0 by 0 undefined. So you, when there is f of 0 is undefined kind of thing or indeterminate form, you have to take the limiting value. What have I said? You have to take the limiting value. So limit extending to 0, f of 0, that is limit extending to 0 f of x, sorry, sin x by x. What is that? Limit extending to 0 sin x by x. You apply the LHC rule or you apply the basic formula over here. Maclaurin series से भी कर सकते हो derivation. So we are not going deep into that. That is simply 1. So s f bar of s. What is f bar of s? What is f bar of s? फंक्शन का जो लैपलास है वही तो f bar of s है. लैपलास ऑफ sin of t क्या होता है? 1 by a square plus 1. So Laplace of sin t by t क्या होता है? Division property, that is integral s to infinity f bar of s ds. That's why I have told you to watch the previous video because division property के बारे में हम डिस्कस किए थे. So integral s to infinity f bar of s है ds by a square plus 1. That is tan inverse of s from s to infinity. That simply becomes cot inverse of s, right? So the thing will be s into cot inverse of s minus f of 0, that is 1. So it will be simply our answer. Thank you for watching video. If you have any doubt regarding any particular topic, regarding any derivative property, now you make sure that you are commenting on the comment box. I will give separately answer of these questions. Now if you like this video, kindly share, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, like get me in and check out the particular videos that I uploaded on the previous.